Join me as I put the Asus ROG to the test and see fast performance. Or the Asus ROG Strix, which has a ton of customization options and an RGB keyboard that's perfect for those late-night gaming sessions. Each model has its own unique strengths, but they all share a commitment to delivering the ultimate gaming experience. But which Asus ROG laptop is the standout model for 2024? In my opinion, it's the Asus ROG G14, which excels in multiplayer gaming scenarios. With its powerful AMD Ryzen processor, 14-inch Full HD display, and advanced cooling system, this laptop is the perfect combination of portability and performance. Plus, its sleek design and customizable lighting make it a stylish addition to any gaming setup. The Asus ROG G14 is the ultimate laptop for team players, with specs that are specifically designed to facilitate teamwork and strategy. With up to 32 gigabytes of RAM and a 1 terabyte SSD, you can multitask with ease, from chatting with your team to analyzing your opponent's moves. And with a battery life that lasts up to 8 hours, you can game all day without needing to recharge. So what makes the Asus ROG lineup the best gaming laptops for team players in 2024? It's simple. They understand the unique challenges that team players face, and they've designed their laptops to overcome those challenges. With their commitment to performance, portability, and customization, Asus ROG is the perfect choice for any serious gamer. So, what's your go-to gaming laptop? Do you have a favorite Asus ROG model, or do you swear by a different brand? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more content on gaming gear and tech. If you want to check out my other video on gaming peripherals, I'll link it in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next video.